Tesla's hands-free text messaging feature allows you to receive and reply to texts without taking your hands off the wheel. This video will guide you through setting up and using the text-to-speech, TTS, and speech-to-text, STT functionalities in your Tesla. Available in all Tesla models, Model S, 3, X, Y, and Cybertruck, this feature enhances safety by minimizing distractions. As of late 2025, Tesla's V12.5 software includes Grok-inspired AI for more accurate and contextual replies. To set up text message notifications, first ensure you have a Tesla account and a compatible smartphone, either iOS or Android. In your Tesla, navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select Notifications. Enable text message alerts to allow your Tesla to receive notifications for incoming texts. This is the first critical step to enabling hands-free texting. Next, pair your smartphone with your Tesla via Bluetooth. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your Tesla's infotainment system and select your phone from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. This connection is essential for the TTS and STT features to work correctly. The Tesla now needs to be connected to the internet either by Wi-Fi or its cellular connection. To enable text-to-speech, open the phone app on your Tesla's screen after Bluetooth pairing. Look for Read Messages Aloud in the settings and select it. Now, when you receive a text message, your Tesla will read it aloud using synthesized voices. You can adjust voice settings, such as speed and accent, within the car's settings menu. To reply to a message hands-free, use the voice command, "Hey Tesla, reply to the last message." After the prompt, dictate your response. The system uses STT to convert your speech into text. Your Tesla will then ask for confirmation before sending the message. You can even use voice commands to insert emojis like saying "send a thumbs up." Tesla's hands-free texting has some important limitations and requirements to keep in mind. The system requires an active data connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular service, because it relies on cloud-based processing for text-to-speech and speech-to-text functions. Additionally, the feature doesn't fully integrate with non-Tesla messaging apps like WhatsApp. Users may need third-party workarounds or apps to enable hands-free functionality with these services. For safety reasons, Tesla prioritizes minimizing distractions while driving. Message previews only display limited content, preventing full message text from appearing on the screen during alerts. Tesla's hands-free messaging system prioritizes safety with features designed to minimize distractions while driving. Message previews display only the sender's name and a brief notification without showing the full message content, helping you stay focused on the road. The system fully complies with NHTSA guidelines and distracted driving regulations to promote safer vehicle operation. For optimal use, customize your notification sounds through the car's settings menu to suit your preferences. You can also disable the feature in specific drive modes, such as when parking or charging, to avoid unnecessary interruptions. The integrated AI helps by filtering out spam messages and prioritizing notifications from important contacts, creating a safer and more focused driving experience. Always ensure your phone is securely paired via Bluetooth before starting your drive. This stable connection is essential for reliable message delivery and voice responses, preventing connectivity issues that could lead to distractions. The future of in-car communication is heading towards AI-enhanced systems. Tesla is leading the way with updates like the anticipated V13, which may include predictive messaging. As voice-controlled car features continue to grow, Tesla's hands-free texting system exemplifies the shift towards safer, connected mobility. Stay tuned for future updates and enhancements to this innovative feature.